What's up, YouTube? Leroy back. So today's going to be a little bit different kind of video. It's not going to be anything about the bike. Today I'm going to be re-epoxying my garage floor. And yeah, so the floor moved in 6 years ago. We epoxied the floor. Held up pretty well, but I didn't really prep it or anything either, so I'm going to do a little bit better job this time around prepping it and redo the floor. So yeah, a little bit different today. Got the old girl out, took her for a spin this morning, took her to the gym, and yeah, so this is essentially what it looked like. And I already took the time, took everything off the floor, moved everything. Gonna get back in there where my refrigerators were and epoxy that this time around. But yeah, so I'm gonna get into it. Well, she turned out great, baby girl. What do you think about it? What? I was talking to the bike. I wasn't talking to you. I was seeing if she liked the new garage floor. Why, do you think that you're some kind of professional painter or something? Huh?
Huh?
What, do you think you're some kind of professional painter?
Yes. See it? She's waiting on you.